name is the letter B. Today in our adventure, we will look for words that start with B. Are you ready? Let's go! Wow, so many balls. Balls start with the letter B. Let's see what kinds of balls we have here. This is a Christmas ball. It's a decoration for the Christmas tree. This is a volleyball. We can hit it, throw it, and have fun with it. This is a basketball. We can bounce it, pass it, and shoot hoops. This is a football. We can kick it, throw it, and have fun playing. This is a tennis ball. We can bounce it, hit it with a racket, and play. This is a beach ball. We can throw it, catch it, and play on the sand. This is a fitness ball. We can roll on it, sit on it, and have fun exercising. This is a bowling ball. We can roll it and try to knock down the pins. Wow, we saw so many balls today. Playing with them is so much fun. Let's keep looking for more words that start with the letter B. Wow, look, these are bears. Bears are big and strong animals. They have thick fur to keep them warm, and they love honey and fish. Some bears live in the forest, some in the mountains, and some even in the cold Arctic, like polar bears. Baby bears are called cubs, and they love to play with their mom. Bears can climb trees, swim, and run fast when they need to. But most of the time, they're calm and curious, just like us on our adventure. Let's continue our adventure. I'm sure we'll find many interesting things ahead. Who knows what's waiting for us next? Let's go! By the way, we're walking under a bridge. Bridge also starts with the letter B. Cool! Those are birds. Let's take a closer look at them one by one. This is an orange rooster. It's a bird too, and it loves to wake everyone up in the morning. And this is a tall bird. It has long legs and a long neck, so graceful. This is a great tit bird. It's small, colorful, and loves to sing in the trees. This is an Eames house bird. It's black, shiny, and looks very elegant. This is a penguin. It's a bird too, but it can't fly. It loves to swim instead. This is a swan. It's a beautiful bird with a long neck that glides on the water. This is an owl. It's a wise bird that stays awake at night and can turn its head all around. This is a pigeon. It's a bird that can fly fast and loves to live in cities. Let's go and see what's next. Come on, let's explore. Wow, look! It's a bus shelter in a bus. This bus is so big. This is a bus. It carries lots of people to school, to work, and to many different places around the city every day. Let's go next and see what we can find. Wow, look at this. There are so many different things here. Let's start with these. What things can you see that start with the letter B? Let's take a look at them one by one. This is a box. We can put things inside and carry them easily. This is a bed. We can sleep, rest, and feel cozy on it after a long day. This is bread. We can eat it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Bread is yummy and gives us energy. This is a bottle. We can put water, juice, or milk inside and drink from it whenever we're thirsty. These are books. We can read them and learn so many new things. We did a great job. What's next? These are bicycles. We can ride them and have lots of fun. People ride them to go to school, to the park, or just for fun. You can ride them fast or slow, and it's a great way to exercise and enjoy the outdoors. Always remember to wear a helmet to stay safe while riding. Great job today! We learned so many new words and had so much fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.